Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make your computer faster. That's right. So first you want to Google Manicam, and then you're gonna download Manicam. And Manicam, it is the perfect program for your computer, and I will show you what it does. So firstly, this is Manicam. So I can do everything from Manicam. I can make different picture appear, and I can even sorry, I'm a bit sick. I can even make a timer. And as you can hear, I also can channel my mic through Manicam. And the good thing about Manicam is that I don't even have to choose that Manicam is going to use to fix the mic, because Manicam will automatically make your mic like my mic is right now when you download the program. It automatically fixes the sound so it sounds good, and I can even lower the volume. Raise the volume a little bit, because sometimes 50% is not enough, maybe as you can hear, because it's a bit it's not very loud right now. Then I can add some noise suppression so it sounds a bit better, or maybe I don't want any noise suppression, I don't know. But this program will make your mic faster instantly. And yeah, it's super easy to use. You don't have to do anything. It will change your computer for you, like a virus. But it will change your computer for the better. So it's not really a virus, but it kind of acts like a virus. But yes, that is it for me, guys. I hope you have a good time, and I will make an apology video for the English digital mispronunciation soon, hopefully, and I will correct it also. Yes, goodbye guys.